Nene. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to review a product sponsored by my goody old friend, Trey. Thank you so much for sponsoring this product to me. Another thing, this comes from my college. As promised, we will continue supporting local businesses. These products that I have right now comes from my college friend Joanna, and the merch is called Décor. So I'll be putting the description. And the merch itself, their page on the description below. So y'all guys ready? Unboxing. Oh my gosh. I love the packaging so much. Makes me feel like I'm a princess. So, struggle with taking this out. Give me a minute or two. Love the ribbon. Oh my god. There you go. Presenting Décor Beauty. I'm so excited. Like, this is the... Oh my gosh. So, packaging is very spot on. Now, they do have a thank you card and a guide. Like, you have to shake well prior using these powdery matte lip in velvet ink. Sweet. Then, aww, love this. In times like this, we remind you to slay safe, gorgeous. Yep, I am. Okay, let's check. I love how they always tell how to use it, such as these tiny amount that we need to do. Okay? Alright, slay safe. Alright, now, it's really cute. There, hope you're seeing this. Oh my gosh, I love the scent itself. It's like I'm buying a food. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's a freaking complete set. They have this. So let me show them one by one. Oh my god! Ang dami review. So this set, I forgot what set would this be. Hanapin ko, Sunny Cheeks. Okay. So the set that really caught my attention would be these Sunny Cheeks. Because these folks, I know them. They're my college schoolmates, friends. So let's try Dali first. Shout out to Ben. Okay, I'm gonna check this out now. And I'm having trouble with taking off the... Oh my gosh. Like... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I really want to talk about every single items in this box. Aww. This is my first ever complete set that I got. Aww. I love it so much. And I really don't know what to say. I'm so stunned. Okay, sige, montage na lang para malupit. I really can't move on. I really can't move on. So they gave me 3 sets. So the first set would be lipstick. I won't be covering everything. I'll be choosing. Though everything may be my favorite, but let's see. This is the first set that they got. They have given me rather. It's called lipstick. And then, let me show you the shades. I won't be covering everything though, because there's a lot of them. I'll be choosing. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be hard. Now the next set, let me just show you it first. It's called the Velvet Ink. She has given me 4. I like the shade. This is the current shade that I really love. Let me show it to you. But this is the packaging. It's awesome. See that? There are 4 of them. Let me show it to you. It's like, I really love the packaging. I'm gagging to know what's the scent and how or what the texture is, because it's really classy. Matches my fingernails. Alright, and the one that caught my attention would be these 4 Sunny Cheeks items. Check it out. Sorry, they have this. So in here, Sunny Cheeks. So let me try and check. I believe I'll try out Spicy. And this photo is this V. Oh, and then this one, I know that this is Tint. Shout out, Dolly. And then this one is Elise. I really can remember her so much. She is so silent and cute. Aww. And sassy. And of course, the owner of Décor, Joanna. In 3, 2, 1, go. All of them are also vacuum sealed. I'm really excited. So I'll be trying everything, but I'm not gonna put everything because it's not gonna look great. So I'll unbox it first. So the ingredients of all the products are shea butter, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, carnauba wax, scalding clay. I really can pronounce the others. Okay, so I'll be trying them in swatches right now, and let's see. This one smells like a little powdery. This one is Dolly. So I'll put them in here and we'll check these 4. Probably I'll put it in here. So this is the first item. I'm gonna smudge it now. Oh my gosh, I think I put a lot of it. So make sure to put on minimal amount of this. If I'll be putting this on my cheek, it's not gonna I'm gonna look like mud. So be very, very careful in putting the item, because on what happened in mine, I have accidentally put a lot amount of it. There, don't do that. But let's check out later on if how does it looks like when applied, because it's gonna be different. So this one is Sassy, and let me smudge it. I think I put too much of it. I really love the scent of the second one, which is Sassy, because it smells like a bubble gum. Now, I may have put a lot, so supposed to be, I think we need to dab it instead of that, because it's for eyelids and your cheeks. So I'll try to put spicy. Very carefully. I did my best, guys. I really did. Yeah. Okay, let me smudge it. Yeah. Now I did it right. It's so fun. So this one is spicy. Okay. Now, I think we really have to make sure to put minimal amount of it, because you do not look good with too much on it. It may look like a lipstick already. Now, let's check out the last item, which is called Moody. And again, let's put little amount of it and let's check. Yeah, it's going to look different. Let's try it with the other 2, so I would know how it would look like if I did put it or apply it on my face. Use Sassy because it suits what I'm wearing right now. How about checking on Dolly? Dolly's a little bit darker. Now, the look that I'm aiming right now is a little bit of angelic look, so I'll be using Sassy later on. And it does have a great smell, so kudos to that. So the next batch that I'll be showing would be this lip and blush accessory, which is called the Velvet Ink. So just showing up their page as well, Velvet Ink. So I'll be trying out all of them. So freaking awesome. It looks like a chocolate bar. I'll check the name so I would also know which color would it be. So they have Belle, Tiana, and Anastasia. Aurora. It seems like these are Disney princesses. I'll try first Tiana. Look. It really does look good. I'll put more so you can see it better here. See? I use Aurora. See the shade? I'll put it on. I really love the packaging as well. Probably because she's an interior designer, that's why she is really good with this kind of designs. Higher chance of me using this, or I can do a combination. Let's see. Now let's check out Anastasia. This is gonna be the color. They're really different. Hopefully you're seeing it, but they're different. Orangey, and then the other one ain't that orangey. It's pretty much close to red. And the last item would be Belle. I can't decide which one I'm gonna be using because Belle is also nude. Probably the choice would be this and this. That's gonna be a tough choice, right? As you can see, they are all velvet now. I'll use Aurora for this one. And the winner is Aurora. You got it, girl. So let's check out the last batch. So now we are here with our last batch, and that's gonna be the lipstick. However, I'm not going to use everything because there's a lot of them. See, but let me show you the swatches. You can check on Décor page. They do have Instagram page, and it's really awesome. I'll be showing out the other colors that you aren't able to see it, such as the shade of Awkward. Those are the dark ones, okay? So let's check it and try it out. I'll be just using 4 of them. I'm really happy with these local businesses. They're really great, and I'm proud of the Filipinos who are able to think of this. These kind of products really looks classy, and you know, they have really designed their own. Sorry for that long speech. Let me show it to you. I don't have this kind of shade, and I'm happy that I have now. Probably really good for meetings. Now let's check out Beach Babe. They do have same scent, and I really love it. Let me show it to you. This one is called Baby Cakes. The one with Beach Babe does have a mustard. I think it's pretty much mustard. Okay, next, Baby Cakes. I think this one is a little bit orangey, and let's check how does it look. I think they are also good with your cheek. Don't you love that color? And lastly would be Mean Girl. I love this color. Pretty much this is the shade that I really loved back in college. Those with dark tones. I'm gonna wear this with black. Close to rosewood. Yeah. So guys, kita nyo naman kung gaano ka-messy but still very beautiful. Takot ako idikit sa damit ko. So, there you go. Here's the final look. And I used Sassy for my cheek and also eyelids. And then, as for my lips, you love it and loving it. It's Aurora. There you go, guys. As promised, I'll be putting the page in the description below. And if you like him, make sure to check out their page. I'll be putting the prices as well later on. Don't forget to wash your hands. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do so. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget as well to click on the bell. That's it for now, bananas. Oops. And always remember, a banana a day, keep your worries away. Bye now.